Next question is regarding National Payment Corporation of India. But the question here is, they are asking for not correct. They are not asking for correct statement, they are asking for not correct statement. It's an ABCD question. We have to go through all the 4 statements to come to an answer. It is an umbrella organization for operating retail payment and settlement system in India. Yes, it's a umbrella organization for a retail payment and settlement system in India. So first statement is a correct statement, but they are asking for not correct statement. It is a statutory body. Yes, it is a statutory body created by the Payment and Settlement Act. It is an initiative of Reserve Bank of India and the Indian Banks Association. It's an initiative of both RBI and Indian Banks Association. Yes, that is also a correct statement. Union Minister of Finance is the ex officio chairman of the Npci. That's a wrong statement. That is not correct. Union Finance Minister is not the ex officio chairman. Rather, National Payment Corporation of India is like a not-for-profit company, and the head of this National Payment Corporation of India will be appointed, an expert will be appointed by the government as the head of the National Payment Corporation, not the Finance Minister. So the wrong, not correct statement here is D. D is your answer. Now regarding the explanation, just note down, Npci is an umbrella organization for retail payment and settlement system in India, and it is created by the Payment and Settlement Act 2007. So Payment and Settlement Act 2007 have created this National Payment Corporation of India. That's why it is called as a statutory body, and it is a not-for-profit company. And the major products of Npci includes RuPay cards, like what instead of MasterCard and this Visa card, that RuPay card has now been issued by Npci. IMPS is a major initiative of Npci. National Financial Switch, Check Truncation System, UPI, Bharat Bill Payment System, National Common Mobility Card and National Electronic Toll Collection, all are the major initiatives of National Payment Corporation, or it is their major products. And presently this the interim chairman of Npci is Sri Sambamurthy. Okay, but anyway, we already discussed, Union Finance Minister is not the ex officio chairperson.